If you've been keeping up with the vlogs, you would know that Darren is currently in the round of 22. This is the first time this season that he's been this close to making match play. So if you haven't seen the rest of the videos, click here, check them out, and then come back and watch this one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and on to the video.
Tell me how'd you maintain? What kind of shifts would you make to take that next step? You putting your all into it with each and every breath. Nothing in this world promise, not today nor tomorrow. We ain't got no time for sorry. Here's some love you can borrow though. To keep you going, we all meant for something great. The game remain the same if you don't participate, get involved. So many problems to solve, and this place called home ain't never revolved around one man. Don't be afraid to give a helping hand. Never know who might need it. Hope you understand. Continue being the change you wanna see. The results never vary when you out here living free. You're doing this here for you. Need approval from who? Follow your heart and mind. I bet you see it through. Come on. You and I were meant to fly. It's time to spread our wings. Know this life get hard at times. Don't worry about a thing. Finish for your thoughts as we make sense of all this change. Round and round it goes, but true to say.
It's the best 186 in my life.
The challenge of keeping your balance amongst the ever-changing status is crazy, right? Just gotta take it step by step. Run your race, your pace in first place. If you catch my drift, hands to the sky. Know you a star, reach beyond the clouds. Whole wide world in your hands if you want that. Just gotta do it, check yourself for the bounce back. Jump ball, gotta get your head in the game. Focus up, never know when your number's called. Making sure that they won't ever forget my name. Always knew that I was something special after all. Yeah, yeah. You and I were meant to fly. It's time to spread our wings. Know this life get hard at times. Don't worry about a thing. Finish for your thoughts as we make sense of all this change. Round and round it goes, but true to self I will remain. Time to spread our wings. Know this life get hard at times. Don't worry about a thing. Finish for your thoughts as we make sense of all this change. Round and round it goes, but true to self I will remain.
It's so f***ing stupid. Not having fun, we need a lot of score. We still got life. Probably need another one like that, but we got life. Dude, I was dialed though, dude. That second one, I almost cried on the second one. I was like, dude, I feel like I just won a title. I just made a match play.
That's really dramatic.
I got a little emotional.
That's dude, super dramatic.
Kev, it's been a rough year so far. Let me have this.
I've been bowling out here too, you know.
Let me have this. Yeah, but
hey,
you bowled for a title though. You had a good moment.
And then I bowled for last this week. So what's up?
I was down in the dumps, man. I needed this. I needed this.
I get it.
Oh my God, we just doubled in the 10th on a lane that we split twice on to make the cut. It was a feel-good moment, but
I said I almost cried.
I was tearing up a little bit. I'm not gonna lie.
If he turned around and was like,
I just made a cut.
freaking dang it.
Extra play tomorrow. I just gotta say that's why you never give up. The part we struggled with the most, we finally overcame and we got some score. Yeah, I made a Hail Mary ball change, not gonna lie. At 760, my last three. Move back to the right, UFO alert, save the day. See you tomorrow.